Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic related with our prose section, that's the fun they had. During that very discussion, we have already discussed a lot of facts, ideas, informations related with that topic, like characters, spot, scene, theme, or others. Just after then, I have already provided you exact summary related with that very chapter. Now I am sure that all of you will be in position to understand the chapter easily. So that's why today I think to select few stacked lines along with its solution and few problems for your exercise. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously watch my today's videos and follow me. Extract based questions. Now read the following extracts and answer the questions that follow in one or two lines. Now the extract number 1. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. You know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Now, some questions related with these lines. First question for you, like, what did yellow and crinkly show about the time of the book? Second question, how did the words on the pages of the real book appear? Third question now, what did Maggie and Tommy do with the real book? And last question, like question number 4 for you. Find a word from the passage which means mint. Now my dear students, on the basis of your story as well as these selected lines, like the stacked lines, the exact answers for these questions are, first answer, like, yellow and crinkly showed that the book was very old. Second question for you, like, how did the words on the pages of the real book appear? And the exact answer, like, these appeared fixed. Now the third answer, they turned the pages of the real book they found them funny to read. Now, the exact meaning here means meant like supposed. Now, my dear students, I like to select few problems for you, and I am sure that all of you can sort out these questions correctly. Now the text like the screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Maggie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Now, on the basis of these lines, the first question here like, when was the screen lit up? Second question, what did the mechanical teacher ask Maggie to do? Third question for you like, what kind of schools were in the past when Maggie's grandfathers used to study? Now, its last question like question number 4 here. Find a word from the passage which means put into. Now, problem number 3 as step number 3 for you, and the lines here like, Maggie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. Sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. Now, on the basis of these lines, first question for you like, what did Maggie do with a sigh? Second question here, how did the kids go to school in the past? Now, as the third question here like, how could they help one another in the homework? And the last question for you, like question number 4 here, find a word from the passage which means taking a deep breath. Now, my dear students, Next day we have to start our next topic. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.